Picture this: you get home, you're exhausted, and then your landlord changed your locks. Your stuffs are outside, tossed out like trash. He says, go to court if you dare. That sounds familiar, right? Okay, I hear you. Well, here's the secret they don't want you to know: that this is so illegal and you've got the power to fight back. Stick around, this could save you. Hi everyone, I am Ihesiaba Grace Uzochukuma, your guide here on GGInsight, where we turn legal drama into street smart wisdom. Welcome to our new episode, new series on Landlord and Tenants Wahala. Episode 1. We'll be looking at tackling the illegal eviction issue. Let's go. February 2025 in Festac, Lagos, a young woman got home and realized that her apartment was padlocked. Her landlord threw out her stuff and everything was outside. His excuse was that she has not greeted him properly since she moved in. No notice, no court order, just her life thrown out, just like that. The social media went wild. There was a lot going on. But what she didn't know was that the law was actually on her side. Want to know how? Keep watching. Here's the deal straight from the Tenancy law of Lagos State, 2011, and across Nigeria. Number 1, your landlord needs proper notice, proper quick notice to be 7 days or 3 months, depending on the kind of rent you're running on, whether yearly or whatever. Then number 2, then a 7 days notice to say that they want the house or the apartment back, right? Then the third thing is, finally, only a court can say you're out of the house. If any of these processes are being skipped, that is known to be self-help, right? That is a big fat crime. Because using a Latin maxim to explain you can't do self-help is nemo judex in causa sua, which means your landlord cannot play the judge and jury in his own case, right? The law says no to that. Please, if you're a landlord or a tenant, listen up. This is very important. No quick notice, mess up. No 7-day warning, illegal move. No court order, my dear landlord, you are toasted. If your landlord pulls a fast one on you by padlocking your door without any of these processes, you are not helpless, because the law stands beside you like a strong chain, ready to flip the script. Next up, how do you hit back? By any chance you are locked out illegally, here is your playbook. Come closer. Number 1, call the police. Yep, it's trespass and intimidation. Call the police. Number 2, hit up the rent tribunal or magistrate court. Yes, do that. Number 3, demand cash damages for your stuff, your stress, even your lawyer's fee safe, because they put you through a lot and that's not nice. Did you know that some tenants have walked away with 500k to 2 million from their landlords? Your landlords aren't kings, right? You've got the power to face everything at the moment they didn't go through the process, right? I hope I have helped you answer your questions. Ever faced this? Please drop your story below. Let's know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GGInsight for more legal gems the streets won't spill to you. Your baby girl has got you covered. Alright, see you guys on the next one. Bye.